Something invisible keeps moving through the system like a ghost, trapped inside the circuitry. Flooded alleyways, neon reflections trembling across wet concrete. Subway pressure beneath silent districts, static fog drifting through dead intersections. Every signal feels unstable tonight, like corrupted dead inside the skyline. Street cameras blinking through heavy smoke, mechanical shadows across empty buildings. Voltage rising, signal distortion. Pressure spreading through the circuitry. Kick drums smashing through underground chambers. Smoke spiraling beneath red warning strobes. Bodies moving like shadow machinery, lost inside industrial repetition. Acid frequencies ripping through darkness, like electrical burns across steel veins. Nobody speaks inside this warehouse. Only movement, only shadows, only baseline shaking the floor. Train lights fading into tunnels, empty reflections behind scratched glass. Every face feels emotion disconnected, like humanity disappeared into static. Electric pressure underneath tired eyes, signal interference beneath pale skin. Even breathing sounds synthetic now, mechanical, restless, disconnected. Unstable, signal collapsing, no silence inside the circuitry. Smoke flooding across warehouse floors, bass pressure shaking steel foundations, dark silhouettes beneath red lighting. Through industrial fog, acid distortion tearing through the system. Light fear transformed into sound waves. Everything feels darker tonight. Cold lights, cold air, cold circuit. Cold circuits. The circuitry keeps running. Somewhere beneath the static. Something unstable keeps running underneath the surface. Like fear, wired into the system. Black cables hanging above flooded alleyways, neon reflections bleeding through thick rain. Subway pressure underneath dead districts, static air trapped between concrete towers. Every signal sounds corrupted tonight, like damaged circuits inside the skyline. Street lights flickering without pattern, mechanical shadows crawling through smoke. Voltage rising, pulse unstable, pressure spreading through the circuitry. Hypnotized machinery, lost inside industrial repetition. Acid frequencies ripping through darkness like electric fractures inside steel veins. Nobody speaks inside this warehouse. Only movement, only shadows, only baseline shaking the floor. Fear, circuit. Fear, circuit. Black voltage. Black Cold train lights fading into tunnels, empty faces behind scratched station glass. Every reflection feels emotionally erased, like humanity disconnected from itself. Static underneath exhausted eyes, electric tension beneath pale skin. Even silence feels mechanical now, frozen, restless, disconnected. Signal collapsing, pulse accelerating. No silence inside the circuitry. Smoke flooding across warehouse floors, base pressure shaking steel foundations, dark silhouettes beneath red lighting, moving through industrial fog. Acid distortion tearing through the darkness like fear translated into sound waves. Everything feels unstable tonight. noise never fully disappears. It only moves farther into the dark. Empty reflections behind scratched glass. Every face feels emotionally erased, like the city forgot its own pulse. Static underneath sleepless eyes, electric tension beneath pale skin. Even silence sounds synthetic now, mechanical, restless, disconnected. Pulse accelerating, no escape from the transmission. beyond the skyline. The skyline looks older tonight, like iron slowly surrendering to time. Stretching across the horizon. Every structure feels unfinished tonight, like forgotten plans buried in concrete. Empty loading yards without movement, cold reflections trapped in warehouse glass. Signals, fading systems, pressure lingering inside the skyline. Horizon, rusted horizon, black smoke, black smoke. Freight trains fading into industrial haze, signal towers blinking across dead districts. Every reflection feels distant and damaged, like the city aging without memory. Static pressure beneath tired eyes, metal tension underneath pale skin. Even silent sounds weathered now, cold industrial, disconnected. Systems fading, signals weakening. No silence inside the structure. Foundations, dark silhouettes beneath red lighting, moving through industrial shadows. Acid distortion tearing through the atmosphere like electricity trapped in corroded walls. Everything feels older tonight. Cold smoke, cold steel, cold horizons. Rusted